to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing and I'm going to be showing you how to bleach the knots on a lace closure wig. This hair came from VIVI Baby. It is a Brazilian water wave 18-inch 150% density 4x4 lace closure wig. Inside of the box is a wig cap, the wig, and then it also has like a little card with their Instagram and instructions. The hair did come in this plastic bag and there was no scent whatsoever. The hair is really soft. The hair did come inside of a net also inside of the bag, and then inside of the hair, like to hold its form, was a paper ball. Like I said, this hair is really soft. I do want to note that the lace is tinted. The lace is kind of like medium brown. I would say it's for someone who's probably like a darker skin tone. For it to melt, it is a tinted lace, which I didn't really prefer, but other than that, the hair was perfect. It had a really nice curl and it was really soft. For the materials, you're going to need some gloves. I'm using these because I don't have any black ones. You're going to need a mixing bowl, something to mix with. I'm using a plastic knife, a detangling comb, some shampoo and conditioner. I'm using the Super Skinny shampoo and conditioner by Paul Mitchell. You're going to need some purple shampoo. I'm using the Ever Pure shampoo by L'Oreal. You're also going to need some 20 volume developer, which you can get at any beauty supply, and it doesn't really matter the brand. And then you're going to need some L'Oreal Quick Blue Extra Strength Bleach. The first thing you're going to want to do is put on gloves, because you do not want the bleach to touch your fingers, because it will burn. It will burn so bad if you get bleach on your hands, so make sure you're wearing gloves so that that does not happen. So now I'm going to go in with the Quick Blue bleach. I'm going to be using 2 scoops of the bleach, but honestly you would be just fine with 1 scoop, because 2 scoops was too many and I had a lot of bleach left afterwards. So you can definitely get by with 1 scoop, but I'd rather have more than not enough in case I messed up. So now I'm going to be adding in some of the developer. With the developer, I like to add in a little like each time. I don't like to like pour it all in at once, so I add in a little each time. And the end goal of this is for the consistency of the bleach and developer mix to be kind of like cream cheese. Like, you don't want it loose to where it's dripping, but you don't want it too thick to where you can't apply it evenly and smoothly. So you definitely want it to be like cream cheese. So I'm just continuing to mix the products, and I'm adding in developer as needed until I get that correct consistency that I want. And remember, that consistency is going to be cream cheese, bagel spread, whatever you want to call it. You don't want it dripping, but you don't want it too thick to where you can't apply it evenly and smoothly to the lace. So I now have my wig placed inside out on a styrofoam wig head, and this is the consistency that I wanted. So I'm going to start applying it onto the lace. You want to be really careful that you're not pushing down when you're doing this, because you don't want it to bleach the roots of the hair. You only want it to bleach the knots. So you want to be really careful that you're not pressing down, because if you do, it's going to end up bleaching the roots of the hair and the knots. So you want to be really careful. I know it may look like I'm pushing down, but I'm not, because I don't want the hair to get bleached, only the knot. know you're probably wondering why I'm coming all the way down with the bleach on the lace, but that's just because I'm trying to bleach the lace too. I was really trying to lighten the color of the lace and bleach the knots, but it didn't really work at all. The lace was still really tinted, so I wasn't really able to wear the wig. I was only able to like bleach the knots, but I couldn't wear the wig because the lace was too dark for my skin. This is the final product, and as you can see, I have a lot of bleach left in the bowl. I left the bleach on for about 30 minutes, and I was checking it in between to make sure everything was going smooth. I left it on for 30 minutes because 20 volume developer does take a while to bleach the knots, so if you wanted to go faster, you can get 30 or 40 volume developer, which is the highest you can get without a cosmetologist license, I believe. If you wanted to go faster, get the higher developer. And I'm now just rinsing it out with warm water before I go in with my L'Oreal Ever Pure Purple Shampoo. This is all you're going to need. You're only shampooing the lace, and this is a 4x4 lace closure wig, so there's not much lace at all. And purple shampoo basically stops the bleaching process, and it tones the hair / lace, and it gets like that orange red or yellow color that you may get on the lace. It just kind of eliminates that, and it makes it look all nice and toned. That out, I'm gonna go in with my Paul Mitchell Super Skinny shampoo and conditioner, and I'm just gonna work that through the hair just to make sure the hair is clean, nice, and conditioned. So I'm now just detangling the hair with a detangling comb while the conditioner is on, just to make sure I'm getting all those tangles out while the conditioner is actually on. So this is how it turned out. The knots are bleached. I did miss a few knots in a few areas, but I'm not going to go back over it because I feel like it damages the hair. But I feel like the hair looks pretty good. The knots look way better than they did at the beginning. The lace is still tinted, but the knots are bleached. The reminder, this is VIVI Baby Hair. This is a 4x4 18-inch Brazilian water wave, 150% density lace closure wig. The link to this wig and to VIVI Baby's website will be in my description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social medias, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.